Due to the COVID-19, my job is more important than ever before.
And it is very critical of just deep cleaning, sanitizing elevators, restrooms.
And I'm just glad that I can play a part in it by helping sanitizing the buses, disinfecting the buses, to make sure that the customers feel as safe as possible.
And we're taking advantage of the low ridership to do heavy cleaning on the platforms. So when everyone returns, they'll return to a very clean environment.
I hope I can encourage more people to wear masks. The more people that wear masks, the sooner we get back to normal.
Every single train has to be sanitized thoroughly. We want everybody to feel safe.
We're working very hard to install several features in the bus to keep you safe, such as our new antimicrobial air filters.
Being able to make a difference and to help my bus drivers and our patrons to feel comfortable is an honor and a privilege.
We making sure that you get home safely to your family.
I like to make people smile, like to start their day off in a good, positive spirit.
Have a great, all right, have a great day.
This is your southbound happy day. All the way to the airport.
My name is Stephanie.
Terrence,
Tara,
David.
My name is James.
I'm Beverly.
I'm Ron.
it's Xavier, Terrence Dildy, and I'm proud.
Proud.
Proud to be a MARTA Hero.
MARTA Hero.
MARTA Heroes.
My name is Aluko and I'm proud to be a MARTA Hero.